So this video is going to be a quick overview of the Save the Cat beat sheet manager. Now, as usual, start by loading up your project. Look for the project planning tools at the top here, the whiteboard. Then on the right hand side, Save the Cat beat sheet. And in here, you'll see the 15 beats from the Save the Cat beat sheet, lined up all down the page. So Save the Cat is a term from a screenplay structure originally developed by Blake Snyder that has since been developed into Save the Cat Writes a Novel, a book by Jessica Brody. And for those unaware, the big takeaway from both of those books was a 15-point beat sheet, which is what each of these things here are. Now, it's beyond the scope of this video to describe each of these beats, but I'd highly recommend visiting Jessica's website, which I'll link below, and also reading her book, which even if you don't intend on using the Save the Cat structure for your novels, it's still a great read and gives you a lot of good ideas of how to think about drama and desires and all that sort of stuff. But using the beat sheet here, it's as simple as clicking into a box and starting to type. Will Aladdin use the lamp to win over Jasmine? And then that's automatically saved. Now, one thing that isn't always clear in the videos and blog posts and such about the Save the Cat beat sheet is which of the beats is an individual moment within your story and which ones are entire sections throughout the story. And that's what this beat sheet manager actually does exceedingly well. Now you can see the beats on the left-hand side, such as setup, happens across entire regions of your story. So setup, debate, fun and games all take up these color-coded chunks. Whereas the beats on the right-hand side, opening image, B story, all the way down to the final image, these are all individual moments within sections, and they could be as short as single sentences up to at the extreme end, entire scenes. And while you'll normally use a beat sheet manager like this towards the beginning of your project to plan things out and do a bit of discovery, it's always good to come back partway through writing your draft just to see where your next signposts are and if you're on the way to hit the midpoint that you planned out or if things need to change. And then at the end of a draft as well, it's always great to come back, see what you intended and what actually happened in your book. So perhaps the themes and the debate and the motivations for your characters, maybe they ended up being different. So let us know what you think of the beat sheet manager, and happy writing.